In this video today, I'm going to tell you about my own life journey that actually started 29 years ago, exactly today. It's kind of hard to believe that long of a time has passed. As a matter of fact, I would be landing in a couple of hours in John F. Kennedy International Airport, August 11, 1992, about 11:45 p.m. at night. I was born and raised in a village in Nepal. Went to a government school. Mind you, I was never stellar student in studies. I was never stellar at anything. I wouldn't hesitate to say I was average or less than average in majority of the things that I did. When I did my intermediate of science, which is equivalent to high school here in North America, I didn't know what to do. I didn't do that good, so getting into a scholarship was impossible. My family was not in a position to spend money, so I could go on a self-finance, what's called. So the family pays the tuition and you can go and pursue a degree. So I was thinking about an alternative. Somehow I came to get to know some resources and friends that inspired me to pursue the study outside of Nepal or India. Fast forward that couple of years, I happened to be the first one in my family to come to America as an international student. Did I plan for things? No, I still don't plan for things extensively to this day. We basically did most of the things out of the whim those days, I guess. So fast forward again a couple of years, I was a student. Then after September 11 of 2001, turn of events, we decided to move to Canada as permanent residents, me and my wife. The rest has been history. There were a lot of challenges, ups and downs. Like me, most of my friends have that too. You will have it also. That's part of life. We just have to learn things as we move along. One thing you gotta believe though, is universe is extremely, extremely intelligent. It's more intelligent than all of us. And doesn't really matter if you just think it through, and if you have deep in your mind, and if you keep on thinking about it, that's possible, somehow it becomes possible. It's hard to believe that when I was growing up, I never imagined that I would be going into America to pursue a study. Citing my family situation and a family financial situation, I would have never believed. But somehow, somewhere, things turn out, and one even led to the other. I got to know the resources, my friends and family members, and something out of the ordinary happened to make things possible. So why am I telling you this? Today's video, I'm basically telling you this, that life is more of an appreciation, and you have to be thankful and you have to believe in yourself. You don't have to be best at everything to go where people have not gone before. If you believe in yourself, that things are possible, universe somehow, sooner or later, makes it possible for you. But if you do not believe, there is no way for it to work on it. That's why I have started believing more on the power of belief, power of manifestation, and power of constant thinking about positive thinking, and how it changes your mind to pursue the things that you have always dreamed about. I know a lot of you will be coming in as an international student, as a new immigrant, and at times we feel lost, we feel helpless. But you know what? Believe in yourself, appreciate little things, and always reach out to the people that gives you better advice. And your life will be very, very valuable. My life has been valuable because of my good friends, my family members, colleagues, and everyone that helped me without expecting anything in return. I'm so thankful to them. And for any reason, if by any mistake I hurt any one of your feelings, knowingly or unknowingly, I beg you for forgiveness. Life is all about journey. Make it a good one, make it the most meaningful one for you.